Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify anti-cheat permissions for EAC games on Windows step by step clearly. To verify anti-cheat permissions for EAC games on Windows, start by closing any running instances of the game. Open the Windows Start menu and type Task Manager. Select Task Manager from the search results and ensure no EAC processes are active. Next, right-click on the Start menu and select Windows PowerShell, Admin. In the PowerShell window, type Get package and press Enter. Review the list for any entries related to EAC anti-cheat. If you find EAC anti-cheat listed, you can proceed to reinstall it for better permissions. Close the PowerShell window and navigate to your game installation folder. Locate the EAC anti-cheat setup file, usually found in a subfolder named EAC anti-cheat. Double-click the setup file to run it. Select Repair when prompted to ensure all files are intact. Once the verification process completes, restart your computer. After your computer restarts, launch the game to check if the anti-cheat permissions are working correctly. If you encounter issues, consider running the game as an administrator. To do this, right-click the game shortcut and select Run as Administrator. This can help ensure that all necessary permissions are granted. If problems persist, check your Windows firewall settings to ensure EAC anti-cheat is not blocked. Open Windows Defender Firewall by searching for it in the Start menu. Select Allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. Look for EAC anti-cheat in the list and ensure both private and public boxes are checked. If EAC anti-cheat is not listed, click Change Settings and then allow another app locate and add EAC anti-cheat from its installation directory. After adjusting these settings, restart your computer once again. Launch the game and verify that the anti-cheat permissions are functioning as expected. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.